A special welcome to our Sunday's market review. Every Sunday, we bring you signals or we do market analysis to come up with trade opportunities that we can trade in the course of the week. So this week, we are here to analyze the market together and to look at trading opportunities that we can take advantage of when the market opens. Today is Sunday, 25th day of the month August, the year 2024. If this video is your very first video that you are watching on this channel, please, we have a lot of things that we do. We have Forex training beginner playlist, which has to do with training videos that you can watch, tutorial videos that you can watch. The playlist is there on this channel. You can begin to watch that. Every Sunday, we come your way with forecast or analysis to tell you our choice of currencies that we think you can trade, and also tell you the direction that these currencies will go. Every Sunday we do that. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. And also hit the notification bell. And make sure that every Sunday you will meet us here on Leading Forex so that we can be able to analyze the market together and look at trading opportunities together. Now, we are here to look at the market for this week. What are the signals or the trade opportunities that we have for this week? Now, before we look at those opportunities, let's do a recap of what we did last week. What were the signals that we gave last week? Did they turn out positive or negative? Did we win or we made losses? We need to look at that. Is that okay? And so I'm taking you straight to the chart for us to look at last week's signals. Now, last week, I gave two signals, GBPUSD buy and also EURUSD also buy. These were the two trades I gave last week. Let's see what the market was or how the market turned out for last week. Now, here we are for the previous trades we gave on Sunday. So this is GBPUSD weekly time frame. If you look, this whole candle you are seeing here is a candle for the week. The whole of this week, this was the candle, GBPUSD. So the whole week, this is what we got. So it was a nice buy, and it went the direction that we gave. Straight away, from Monday to Friday, this trade made almost 290 pips. 290 pips. Clean win. Now, let's look at EURUSD also. This is EURUSD. Also another clean win. This whole candle you are seeing here is a weekly candle. So this candle here is for the week. And this also gave us a straight win. So from year to year, also 178 pips, almost 180 pips. Almost 180 pips for EURUSD, the whole week. This is weekly time frame. If I bring it to daily time frame, you can see it. So this is Friday, this is Thursday, this one is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday. So from Monday here up to Friday, clean 180 pips buy on EURUSD. And then GBPUSD, if you look at the daily, this is it. This was on Friday, this was on Thursday, this was Wednesday, Tuesday, and then Monday. So another clean win from here to the top here, almost 290 pips. 290 pips. So these two trades gave us a clean win. No loss at all. No loss at all. Now, with what we have done last week, I will want to also say that we will do a similar thing this week. Now, this week I am going to give 3 signals. Only 3. Last week I gave 2. This week I want to give 3. The very first signal I want to give is NZDUSD. This one. NZDUSD. If you look at NZDUSD, I'm trying to zoom in so that you can see something. NZDUSD on weekly, generally, it has been on a sell trend, right? But along the line, the recent trend that we are seeing here gives us an idea that NZDUSD will give us an up move. If for nothing at all, we expect an up move back to the top here. We expect an up move to the top here. This is weekly time frame. So we expect an up move to the top here. And if we are expecting that, then we are looking at how many pips. This is almost about 260 pips to the yellow zone here. From where the market closed up to where the yellow zone I have marked is about 260 pips. And then also, if you look, you will also notice that we've had that kind of consolidation over here, if you look. And so having this momentum to the upside give us the edge that this is going to continue to the yellow zone up there. Why? Because for the past 4 weeks, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The past 4 candles, weekly candles, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, have been bullish candles. They have all been bullish candles, and which is for the month. So this 4 candles is telling us about the whole month. So the month is going to end next week. The month is ending, sorry, this week, not next week. The month is ending this week. Today is 25th. So the week is certainly going to end this week, because Friday will be 30th, and then Saturday will be 31st, and then Sunday will be 1st September. So the week is ending this week. And since we've already gotten this nice move to the upside with bullish momentum, the month will have to end on a bullish momentum. And so we all want to go in for a buy on NZDUSD. We all want to look at a buy on NZDUSD. So this is going to be our first trade for the week. NZDUSD, we are looking at a buy opportunity. Again, GBPUSD, we are also going to continue our buy position. Why? Because we have seen the momentum here for the past 2 weeks. This was last 2 weeks, and this is the current last week. Today is Sunday. We have entered into a new week. So if I'm mentioning last week, you should understand. So the past 2 weeks candles have been bullish candles, and these bullish candles have broken the strong support resistance that everyone was kind of looking at. This very resistance level here is broken. It is completely broken. And because this resistance level is broken, we are all going to start to look for another push to the upside. And if we are looking for a push to the upside, we are looking at the immediate up here. This is weekly time frame. We are looking at the immediate up here, or we will look at the next up here, which is to this level. So these are the 2 levels we may be looking at. So if we are to consider the immediate yellow one here, the next yellow resistance here, from where the market closed to that one is almost about 400 pips. It is almost about 400 pips. 400 to that side. This is about 437. 437 pips. So we are targeting GBPUSD also buy. We are going for a buy on GBPUSD. Now, let's look at the last trade, and then we now look at our take profit and stop loss. The last trade is also going to be, of course, EURUSD. EURUSD, if you look, we are beginning to see strong 2 momentum to the upside. And one will anticipate, or one will say that since we are seeing this level here, maybe Euro USD will respect this level and pull back down. But if you look at this trend very well, the momentum to the upside is going. And if you are to consider anything at all in terms of price action, you should be looking at this resistance level here, this very one here. This is the one you should be looking at, and not this one. This one is minor one. The small yellow one here is minor. This is major. So between where the price is to that level is also about 240 pips. To the top there is about 240 pips. From the closing price to the top yellow, the bigger yellow area is about 240 pips. So Euro USD, we are looking at a buy on that also. So we have 3 trades that we are going to focus on a buy. 3 trades. NZDUSD buy, GBPUSD buy, and then Euro USD also buy. Now, if you want to consider other USD pairs, then you may have to be looking at a buy on all the other USD pairs. And the reason is because fundamentals is playing out here. The reason fundamentals is playing out is because for the past few months, the US elections are fully heating up. Everything is on course. The debates and the arguments and then whatsoever is all heating up. And so the dollar is kind of shaky at the moment because November, the US will be done with their elections. So as we enter September, they may begin to do their final rounds to start the voting. You know, the US elections are not vote, they don't vote in a day. They take some days to do the voting. They vote state by state and other stuff. Their system of voting in terms of elections is quite different. So things are getting closer in terms of elections. And because of that, the dollar is becoming weaker and weaker. So if you are looking at other USD pairs, then you should be looking at buying other currencies against the US dollar. And that is why Euro USD we are going buy. That is also why GBP USD we are going buy. And that is also why NZD USD we are going buy. But if you want to trade a pair like USD JPY, you should be looking at a sell. If you want to trade a pair like USD JPY, you should be looking at what? A sell, because the base currency is USD and JPY is the quote. So meaning JPY is going to take USD down since USD is weak. So if you are looking at USD JPY, you should be looking at a sell. If you are also looking at USD CAD, you should be looking at a sell. If you are looking at USD CAD, you should be looking at a sell. If you are also looking at USD CHF, you should also be looking at a sell. But if you are looking at AUD USD, it should be a buy. NZD USD, it should be a buy. GBP USD, it should be a buy. And then Euro USD should also be a buy. But I have given you only three of them. But if you look across, let me take you back to the chart. Then you can look at all the other USD pairs. Look at all the other USD pairs. Look at USD Chef. It's been selling. As you can see, it has sold nicely. It's been selling. If you look at USD CAD, you see that it's been selling for the past 3 weeks. USD CAD sell. If you look at USD JPY too, it's been selling. So if you are looking at USD being the base and the other quotes, then you should be looking at a sell. But where we have USD being the quote, then you should be looking at a buy. For instance, Euro USD, you should be looking at what? A buy. Is that okay? So this is how we are going to approach the market this week. Now, the rules are still the same. A take profit of 100 pips, a stop loss of 100 pips. A take profit of 100 pips, a stop loss of 100 pips. The second rule is that you wait for 2 hours when the market opens so that the spread will close a bit. The gap that is opened between the ask price and the bid price, it should close a bit before you enter the trade. Now, these terms I am mentioning, if they are new to you, then you need to go back to our beginner video and start watching part 1, part 2, part 3, and learn all these things. So that when you meet us every Sunday and we are mentioning some of these things, there wouldn't be something weird or new to you. Is that okay? So once the market opens, you wait for 2 hours for the gap to close. When the gap closes, you can now take your trade. Is that okay? Now, before I end this video, there are a few of you who are asking me to teach you my strategy. This is my strategy here. This is how we analyze the market. I always look at the fundamentals. And I have done a video on fundamental analysis. It is on this channel. Okay, it is on this channel. I have done a video on fundamental analysis. It is here on this channel. So I look at the fundamentals and then I do my analysis like I have done. And then I'm able to give you the prediction or the direction for the direction or the currencies as to where they will go. If you want to learn this, it is here on this channel for free. I have explained everything here on this channel for free. But maybe you are not able to join the pieces. Maybe that is your challenge. You are not able to join the pieces. Like I said, I have talked about fundamentals, it's here. I have talked about technical analysis, it is also here. And everything I do in terms of analysis, I don't have anything to hide. I make it so clean. I show you what I do. And I analyze the market to tell you what I am looking at. So if you are still having challenge in terms of putting up the pieces or picking up the pieces and joining them together, then I would suggest that maybe you take your time and go through the videos again. Okay? Take your time and go through the videos again. But if you want me to hold your hand and show you that do this first, do this second, do this third, that is where my mentorship program comes in. Those who have taken my mentorship program will tell you, they trade and what I am saying here, they understand. And some of them equally analyze the market like that, just as I'm analyzing. Yeah. Now, my mentorship program, I'm almost done. Yeah. I'm almost done with mentorship because I have realized that mentorship is taking too much of my time. And I'm not able to concentrate much on trading myself. I teach the whole day, I'm so occupied the whole day, and I dedicate almost all my time teaching. And I'm not able to take trades myself. And the whole teachings that I do, I teach for a whole month for just $100. And sometimes, if I am able to take my time and trade within a day or two, I can get that $100. But because I felt like giving out something to other people to also benefit, I decided to do mentorship to help other people. But I think it is time I put mentorship aside and get back and get into full-time trading, because currently mentorship is taking a lot of my time. And so once I am done with the current batch, I will put mentorship on hold and get committed to the job fully. For the truth of the matter is that you already have everything I should give to you here on this channel. Unless maybe you are having a challenge in putting up the pieces together. If you have a challenge in putting up the pieces together, try And I don't know how to put it. I don't know how to explain that also. But truth be told, mentorship has taken a lot of my time. And I have not been able to fully trade on my own. And it's taking me backwards. So I think once this month ends, we are in September, right? Oh, sorry, August. Once this month of August ends, I'll put a hold on mentorship for now. And then get committed to the trading that I want to get committed to. But my Sunday's market review will always come. And so if you want trade opportunities to take, it will always be available for you here on this channel. Okay? I am not going away. I am still going to be here. But just that the mentorship that I am putting it on hold. I know $100 is not easy to come by. But sometimes I concentrate too much by trying to teach, and I end up losing a lot. Sometimes I teach the whole day and I come back to the chart and I see a lot of opportunities I would have taken to make profit, but because I was teaching, I couldn't see those opportunities. So I think that I have done enough for the mentees. I have taught a few of you. If I look at my diary, I have taught not less than 100 people so far. So I think I have been able to impact something. If the 100 people, even if 10% of the 100 people are able to trade well, I know in the next 5 years, they will also teach other people. Yeah. I am not expecting all the 100 people or more to all be perfect. But even if I get 10% out of the 100 people who become better in the strategy and whatever I have taught them, the 10 people will also be able to impact it into another generation or another set of people. I cannot continue to be doing that forever. So my mentorship program at the end of this month, I want to officially announce that I am going to put it on hold. Yes. I'm going to put it on hold so that I can be able to get time to trade for myself. And for us, not myself, but for us to be able to get time to trade for ourselves. Okay? I am not just going to be trading for myself alone, but I'm going to make time for us to be able to trade together. Okay? For us to be able to make the profit together. That's what I mean. All right? Thank you very much. I don't know how you may feel about this, but I feel I need to say it so that you understand and understand me better. I have done my part. Let me get back and then work things out again for myself also. Please, I'm begging you. Okay? Thank you very much for understanding. I'll see you at the end of this week, and then we will come back and look at how the market will be. My name is Kofi. More videos will be coming on this channel. Some are tutorial videos, some are educative videos. I'll be doing more for you. So, despite the fact that the one-on-one mentorship I used to do will not hold, you are still going to get a lot of videos here. Yeah, those are also mentorship videos, okay? So, you're still going to have videos here, all right, on this channel. Thank you very much.